Hey there everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to be going out to the garage, grabbing the Holley 750 that's on that engine right now. And I'm going to be breaking it down and doing a rebuild of it because I cannot get the damn thing to idle and I think it's just gunked up with some old fuel, but we'll find out. So I'm going to go grab that and then we're going to do a quick time lapse of me breaking it down for you. Right here, we've got car. Alright everybody, we're back. I just came back from the garage. I got the carburetor off. Wasn't too bad to take off. And here you go, you can check it out. There she is. Holley 750 double pumper mechanical secondary. So I'm not going to try to teach you guys anything about this carburetor as I'm breaking it down because honestly I don't know enough about them to give you some correct information, so enjoy the time lapse. Alright, first things first, gotta get the gas out of here. Some gas in there. Here's the jets. 74. $78. Alright, it's the next day. Went through this guy. Did what I could for her. Hopefully it all works. Alright, we're back in the garage. I just got done working on the carburetor for the past couple days. I had to get some leaks figured out that were going on with the damn thing. And I just fired it up and now it's working right. So I'm going to show you guys that here in 1 second. We'll probably switch over to Matt's camera because he's got the fancy one. Okay, so cleaning the carburetor did work. The car does idle now, but we're having a lot of other issues, electrical, timing that we're going to be messing with. So subscribe to our channel, and there should be some more videos coming out here soon of me getting very frustrated with the timing and the electrical issues, but it's all going to work out, I promise. Thank you guys.